is Dr. Megha Goyal from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I secured a rank of 11,157 in NEET PG 2022. But after I got this rank, and this was my second attempt, I really wanted to be done with this exam process and wanted to join in the best possible college that I can get into. And then I came across Careers 360 as one of the platforms. So I even had a call with them, and they told me about all the services they'll be providing. And at that moment, it did feel that I would like a little bit of support, a guidance about what is the next step to be taken, because this whole counseling process seems like a bigger task than preparing for the NEET PG exam. Then I had quite a few calls with the Careers 360 team. They explained to me the whole process of what are the steps of counseling, what are the different documents need to be prepared, what are the different options I have. So they curated a list for me, and also they even gave suggestions about what are the things I can look for in the state counseling. For this year's counseling, there were quite a lot of delays from the state counseling, especially the Karnataka state counseling, which I was aiming for because of the High Court case. So at one point of time, I was getting something in All India Round 2. I was getting a DNB institute. But looking at last year's cutoffs, I thought I have better chances for MD or MS in Andhra or Karnataka state counselings. So at that moment, Ruchita, my counselor, when I talked to her, she was of really great help. She told me that, she gave me the confidence that I can let go of the DNB that I'm getting and wait for state counselings. I can get into an MD or MS, because by the time I was getting this DNB, I had no other seat in hand, and I wasn't really sure if it will be a wise choice to let go of what I'm getting in the hope of something that I'm not sure I'll get or no. But Ruchita assured me with all the data from last year that I do have good chances of getting into MD or MS. And so I waited for the state counseling. And finally, I've got MS OBG in JJM College, Davangere.